Hello Faye and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you 3 things that you can do to increase the traffic to your website. So let's start with content. Content is anything that you have on your website, text, images, or videos. So I really like your website, your front page, because it has links to your social media accounts, click to call buttons, contact us form, different pictures, testimonials, areas that you serve. So it's a really well laid out front page. Now, in terms of the amount of content, you have 2020 words. Let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Garage Doors of Houston, they have 757 words in content, and Garage Door Doctor, they have 941. And although they have less content in terms of amount, they are outranking you in the Google organic search. And that means that it is worth actually having a look at the content so that Google can find you for the relevant keywords. Now let's have a look at the Google search. I came in here and I type in Garage Door Repair Houston, which is a buyer intent keyword, and is what people type in when they want to buy a product or a service. The first section here is the Google Ads. And Google Ads are good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if not done correctly. And some people have the ability to turn them off in their browsers. So something to be careful about. And that's why you actually want to grab the top positions in both the Google Maps and the Google Organic Search. And the Google Maps are actually driving a lot of traffic. So 40% of the people of the traffic are actually clicking on businesses that are ranking at the top of the Google Maps. And to rank at the top, you need 3 things. You need pictures, you need reviews, and you need citations. And citations is anywhere your business is listed on any directory showing the business name, the address, and the phone number, and they have to be exactly the same so that Google can verify you and can rank you at the top. So that's my second tip. In terms of the Google business profile. Now, moving on to the Google organic search, and this is where I found your competitors. To rank at the top, you first need to be found by Google in terms of the relevant content or the relevant keywords, and then second, you need backlinks. So to analyze those websites, we use a tool called Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is actually showing me that there are 180 backlinks in 63 referring domains. That means that there are 180 links in 63 external websites directing traffic to your website. Let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Doors, they have 2,000 backlinks in 235 referring domains. And Garage Door Doctors, they have 3,460 backlinks in 519. And they are occupying the second position. And that is because not all backlinks are created equal. Because if a backlink is sitting on a website that is relevant to your niche or to your industry, to the services that you provide, Google has algorithms to identify that, and it's going to rank you at the top. It's going to give you points for that, and it's going to rank you at the top. And it's probably what is happening here with these two competitors. Now let's have a look at the organic keywords. So I filter in here for those that actually are for Houston, so buyer intent keywords for Houston. And you are being ranked for the garage, well, gates in Houston, the garage Houston, and this dashboard is showing me the keywords, the search volume of those keywords per month, so how many times this keyword was searched for in a month, and then the position is in which position your website is appearing for that keyword in the Google search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that your website is already on the second page of Google, meaning that people are not actually going to your website. Now let's have a look at your competitors. So Precision Doors, they have garage door companies. Well, this one, excuse me, I'm gonna filter by Houston. So Garage Door Repair Houston, the search volume is 1,600 searches per month, and they are in position number 1. Garage Doors Houston, 600, and they are in position number 1. Garage Door Repair Houston, Texas, 250, position number 1. Garage Door Repair Houston, Texas, 200, and the different combinations, as you can see, they are number 1. So that means that between these 4 keywords, they're already they were in front of more than 3,600 people in a month. meaning that a percentage of those actually click and went to their website, and then a percentage of those who visit their website actually call them, and then depending on their closing rate, they were able to convert them into customers. So that's the importance of actually being able to drive more traffic to your website, because if you are able to increase that traffic, means that you're going to have more customers, and that is going to translate into more revenue for your business and being able to grow your business. So if you like what you saw in this video, I really appreciate if you can give me some feedback. My name is Viviana. My contact details are at the bottom of the email that I sent. And please feel free to arrange a one-on-one consultation for more in-depth insights about your traffic and your website. Thank you so much, Faye. Bye bye.